Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for healthy urinary tract. Let's begin. Let's squat down to take garland pose, Malasana. Okay, palm together, use your elbow to press your knees out, keep your back straight and sink your hips down. And inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, breathing into deep belly area. Okay. Breathing in through the nose, out through the nose. Start cultivating the Ujjayi breath, deep, long breath. If you want, soften your gaze or close your eyes. Breathe deep. Just stay there. Simply breathe. A lot of air to your belly. Inhale, fill up. Exhale, belly button to the spine. Keep your back straight, keep your chest open. And good. Okay, let's take tabletop pose. On your floor, knee underneath your hips, elbow right underneath your shoulders. And let's do cat and cow pose. Ready? Inhale, cow pose, look up. Exhale, tuck your chin. Inhale, drop your belly, soften. Exhale, belly button to the spine. Inhale, tailbone reaching toward the sky. Exhale, tuck your tailbone in. Inhale, widen your collarbones. And exhale, look toward your chest. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, roll your back. Inhale, circulate your blood by activating your spine. Make sure connect to your breath with emotion. About 10 times or so. Back to neutral. Okay, now let's take staff pose, Dandasana. Okay. Sitting bone connecting down to the floor, flex your toes, press your thighs down to the mat, and inhale. Shoulders down, exhale forward and over. You can place your hands down on your mat, or if you want, you can grab your ankle, toes, or maybe wrist. Inhale to lengthen and exhale soften. Inhale to lengthen, make sure shoulders away from ears. And exhale to bring your nose close to your knees. Inhale. And exhale soft. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale to release. Inhale, deep breath. Exhale, slowly, long exhale. Inhale. Exhale, keep breathing. After 5 to 8 breaths, inhale halfway, exhale, release. Good. Okay, let's lay down on your back. Okay, and hug your knee and place your hands on your knees and gently circle your knees. Very subtle movement. Doesn't have to be big. And after 3 times, maybe circle reverse. Good. To create good blood flow around lower abdominal. Okay, here, extend your knees. And you can stay here. Or if you want, if you wanna go a little bit, if you have like a good arm strength, bring your hips up to do shoulder stance. Make sure to extend your toes toward the sky. And kind of bend your knee to twist. And twist. Twist. Again, doesn't have to be big twist. So good to create good blood circulation to the bladder and ureter area. And make sure while you're doing this, keep breathing. And slowly, let's bring your toes over your head and place your hands on the mat. Slowly, each vertebra, calm down. Good. And bringing your hips up over your head, it's too much. You can just stay there and do twisting while keeping your hips down on the floor. Okay? So just be mindful, and you don't have to do the shoulder stance if you don't feel like you're doing today. Okay, now from here, knee together, let's bring your knee to your right. Okay, and look to your left. And just open up your shoulders. And use hand to press your knees down to get to deeper twist. Again, inhale, exhale to soften your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, release any tension. The tension no longer serves you. Inhale, exhale. You notice you are tensing up your hips, legs, shoulders. Actively use your breath, exhale to release. Make sure to keep opposite shoulder down on the mat. Just melt down your body to the floor. Always cultivate ujjayi breath. And back to center. And bring other knee to opposite side and look to the opposite. Again, close your eye or soften your gaze. Keep opposite shoulder down on the mat. Inhale, create space between each vertebra, lengthen your neck. And exhale to soften your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, release any tension you notice. Inhale, relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Relax your legs. Just stay there and breathe. And next, inhale. Exhale, bring your knees back to center and release. Now, let's put the sole of your feet together. Drop your knees to the side. Place your hands comfortably by the side. And then I like to keep, actually, palm facing up. Okay. Inhale, exhale, relax your shoulders and let it go. This sequence is designed to promote healthy urinary tract. I recommend you do it on a regular basis. And check out my other videos in the comment section. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!